Technology and Livelihood Education. Family and Consumer Science for Grade 7. Our topic is Guidelines in Food Preparation. The content standard for this lesson is: the learners demonstrate an understanding of the fundamentals of the hospitality and tourism industry. The performance standard is: the learners apply skills in food preparation and services following safety precautions. Here are the learning competency and learning objectives for this lesson. Short review of the previous lesson. On the guidelines of food selection. How does the sense of smell influence food selection? In what ways do budget and cost influence ingredient selection? And how can individuals balance financial constraints with the need for nutritional quality? What can you say about the two pictures? When your environment is clean, you feel happy, motivated, and healthy. It feels like you love to cook good and nutritious foods for your loved ones. The following are the content area vocabulary. Food preparation is the process of preparing ingredients and combining them to create a meal. It involves various steps such as cleaning, cutting, measuring, mixing, cooking, seasoning, and plating. Proper techniques ensure food safety, enhance flavor, and create appealing presentations. Effective food preparation results in nutritious, delicious, and safe meals, whether for home, school, or professional kitchens. Plating is the process of arranging food on a plate in an aesthetically pleasing way. It involves thoughtful presentation, considering factors like color, texture, and balance, to enhance the visual appeal of the dish and create a more enjoyable dining experience. Food preservation refers to the methods used to prevent food from spoiling, maintain its nutritional value, and extend its shelf life. Techniques such as refrigeration, freezing, canning, drying, and salting are employed to slow down the growth of bacteria, mold, and yeast, ensuring food safety and reducing waste. The following are the guidelines in food preparation. First is the cleaning and washing. This involves washing and cleaning raw ingredients, such as fruits, vegetables, and meat, to remove dirt, contaminants, and bacteria. Next is the cutting and chopping. Ingredients are often cut or chopped into smaller pieces to facilitate cooking and enhance the overall presentation of the dish. The measuring and mixing. Accurate measurement of ingredients and thorough mixing is essential for achieving the desired flavor and texture in the final dish. Cooking is the process of applying heat to raw ingredients, makes them edible, improves flavor, and kills harmful bacteria. Cooking methods vary, including boiling, baking, grilling, frying, and steaming. Seasoning is adding herbs, spices, salt, and other flavorings enhances the dish's taste. Seasoning is a crucial step in food preparation to achieve a well-balanced and appetizing flavor profile. Assembling and plating. For dishes with multiple components, assembling involves combining different elements to create the final presentation. Plating refers to arranging the food attractively on a plate for serving. The term "your eyes eat first." It's as if you already taste the food when you see it, is a phrase that highlights the importance of food presentation. It suggests that the visual appeal of a dish plays a significant role in how appetizing it seems. Attractive plating and vibrant colors can make food more appealing and enhance the overall dining experience, even before you take the first bite. Preservation and storage. Some food preparation may involve preserving or storing food for later use. This can include methods like refrigeration, freezing, canning, or drying. Effective food preparation requires attention to hygiene, proper cooking techniques, and creativity. Providing nutritious, delicious, and safe meals is vital at home, school, or a professional kitchen. In your respective homes, how do you prepare your food? What are the processes that you usually execute when you're preparing your food? What do you think is the importance of the food preparation guidelines and the basic cooking techniques in preparing food? The importance of food preparation guidelines and basic cooking techniques lies in ensuring food safety, nutritional value, and flavor. Proper food preparation, including cleaning, cutting, measuring, and mixing, helps prevent contamination and promotes balanced meals. Basic cooking techniques like boiling, frying, and baking ensure ingredients are cooked to the right texture and temperature, enhancing flavor while preserving nutrients. These guidelines also support creativity in meal presentation, making dishes visually appealing. By following these steps, individuals can prepare meals that are safe, nutritious, and delicious, whether at home or in a professional setting.
A time to remember.
When choosing food, people often consider a variety of factors as follows. Taste is one of the biggest influences, as most individuals prefer food that is flavorful and satisfying. Health is another key factor, with many aiming for balanced meals that support their well-being. Convenience also plays a role, as some opt for quick and easy options. Budget is important too, with people often selecting affordable ingredients or meals. Social or cultural influences, such as traditions or shared meals, can also guide food choices. Ultimately, it's a mix of personal preferences and practical considerations.
This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.